Hey, how's it going, Amber? This is Devin Norton from SEO Dallas TX. Thank you so much for taking the quick time to watch this video, and I appreciate you speaking to me earlier today. I'm going to really briefly show you 3 easy ways to beat your competition online, and you're probably wondering why I'm making this video for you. There's a lot of small business owners out there that are spending all their time running their business, taking care of their customers. They typically don't have the time to learn how to make the internet work for them and bring in more of those customers. And the only thing typically holding them back from hiring a marketing agency is they don't know who is an expert and who isn't. And so I found that by making these attack plans and just giving them away for free, a lot of business owners end up calling me back going, you know what, Devin, I like you, just take care of all this for me. So at the end of this all, you see I've got some tricks in my sleeve and I can do some good for your business. Give me a call and we can chat. If you want to take this information and apply it yourself, that's okay too. Just please give me some feedback and let me know if you thought this was valuable. I'm going to briefly show you how to make your website more authoritative, how to make it more trustworthy, and then how to get yourself ranked in the local map hack rankings. Let's start by looking at your website. First off, it's undeniable. You have a beautiful looking website here. I love all the artwork in it. Like, from a design point of view, this is gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. Unfortunately, Google cannot look at how beautiful your website is. What they can do is break it down into a text file and then send their robots through it and look for keywords. And keywords are things that people type into Google to find your business. So like home repair Columbus, Ohio is one of the big ones here. You want to make sure you have that within your text, but also you want to be considered the authority in the subject, which means you have the most content. So you're going to want to have about 1,500 to 2,000 words on your front page, because the average website on the front page of Google has about 1,890. So that's my first tip. If you look at your main competitor for home repair Columbus, Ohio, Columbus Handyman, and I don't mean any offense by it. I know some contractors don't compare themselves to Handyman, and I'm not trying to do that for you. I'm just showing you that these guys are ranking on the first page for that keyword. You can see that they're not doing that well in the content view either. So you can really beat them easily with content, and I'll show you why they are beating you in a second here. Also, whatever your images are saved as does count. So like they are doing this correct. You see Columbus Handyman right there? That helps them rank for that. Carpentry, Columbus Handyman. So they're ranking for that keyword because all this is considered content. Columbus Handyman, stuff like that. So and you can do that with your own images. Let's see what your images are saved as. Instead of that jumble, you can save that as like home repair Columbus, Ohio. So that's my first tip. My next tip is to make your website more trustworthy. Google looks at how many other websites are linking to your website because that's in a way like that website vouching for you. However, they want to see that they're relevant links. So you want to get links from other contracting companies, not from like Pizza Hut, because Google knows you're not a pizza company. So the tool I use to check this out, it's called Ahrefs. Costs about $1,000 a month, but it gives you really valuable data on what's going on in the back end of websites. And it says you currently have 9 websites linking to you, and you kind of had a little blip here in November of 18, one website, and then it dropped off almost immediately. And then you skyrocketed last year, and now you're sitting around 10, 13, down to 9. That's great. There's a lot of contractors out there who don't even have a website, let alone have any links going to it. So I'm really glad you're starting on that. I want to show you what you have to beat to get to that number 1 spot. So if you go and see what they have, these guys, columbushandyman.net, they have 75 websites linking to them. So you're going to not only want to match that, you're going to want to dominate that. So I'd recommend going and getting a full 100. And the best way to do that is see what links they're getting and go copy them for yourselves. So you just go to these different websites and you either contact them, you create accounts, and find a way to just join as a pro. That'll get you a link. And you just contact them and try to get them to give you a link as well the same way. And you can do this for business after business. You don't have to just do Columbus. You can go any city around. The best ones are going to be like siding repair, home climate companies, ceiling repair. These are all really relevant to what you do. Let's see. Handyman, painter, roofer, call a plumber. Those are all really good ones. And if you do end up beating them in content and in domains, and you get ranked above them, you take their traffic. That's 287 interested people looking at your website a month, because people don't typically look up home construction or Columbus Handyman or anything like that for fun. They do it when they need help, you know? So imagine how much it would cost to pay Angie's List for that kind of traffic to you. It costs a little fortune. Last thing I'm going to talk about is when somebody types in home repair Columbus, Ohio, and they're ready to buy, they're going to call the first contractor that shows up that seems trustworthy. And you want to be that contractor because those are the easiest customers to close. People skip these ads all the time. It could be from bad experiences in the past, or they just have, ad blockers. And so where you want to rank yourself is in the Google My Business or local map hack section. Getting here requires having more citations than your competitors, which is anywhere where your name, address, and phone number are listed in different directories across the web, like Yelp, Yext, Yellow Pages, White Pages, Facebook, Angie's List, Home Advisor. These are all really common ones. The best strategy here is to figure out what directories your competitors are listed in. Go list yourself in those exact same directories, but then add a bunch more on top. So like if Scott & Sons here is listed in 150 different directories, you're going to want to put yourself in like 250, if not 300. So that's all I've got for you. I hope you found this really informative, Amber. As a quick recap, To make your website more authoritative, you need more content, and make sure you're targeting the right keywords within that content. To get yourself more trustworthy, you need to beat these guys in links. So you're going to want to get 100 websites linking to you, I would recommend. And then you're going to want to put your name, address, and phone number in more directories than these guys. So if I just make sure that the name, address, and phone number are all spelled the exact same way across the web, so they're all relevant to each other. Amber, if you want to take this free information and apply it yourself, please, by all means, be my guest. This is completely free education. There's no strings attached whatsoever. I'm just here to help as many business owners as I can. Just please send me back some feedback. Let me know if you thought this was valuable information. And then if you do want me to help you with this stuff, you can also email us back and ask for some more info or give us a call. Our phone number is right down here. It's 214-441-6737. Either way, I do appreciate you speaking to me. I look forward to hearing from you, and I appreciate you taking the time out of your day to watch this video. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye.